Here is my proven 3-step checklist to troubleshoot any ad campaign. Did you ever went, man, this ad is not performing. Like, I'm struggling to get it profitable. Or even your sales funnel, for example, or a post, something like this on Instagram. We are going to share with you that 3-step checklist that you can use on any marketing piece and any ad campaigns. And with this, you will be able to know exactly, okay, what's wrong and how can you fix it to make it profitable, and not only profitable, but make a ton of money for you. So let's go right into it. You're gonna ask 3 questions to yourself. And the first question is, do I have their attention? That's the first piece of the puzzle. Do you have their attention? Are you grabbing their attention enough? That's the first step of the process. Do you actually grab the attention of the people that's on their feed when they're watching TikToks or Instagram posts or whatever is the platform that you're using? But do you grab their attention? The first thing that should grab their attention is not attention grabbing enough. You're not going to get them to watch the rest of your ad. Does your story, does my story convince them to keep going, to get to the next step? So your story is basically the way you're selling them. So does the message that you got on that ad, does that message actually makes them want to go to the next step? And don't be like, oh yes, it should. I made it especially for it to work. Yes, but if that is not working, there is a problem here. And that's what you should check out. Is actually the message working and making them go to the next step with you? If it doesn't, make them want to go into the next step. Create some curiosity to make them click the link. There's a third reason why your ad are not working. And if you want to know it, make sure that you subscribe and that you comment what industry you are in, help out each other to, figure out if we can help each other. Entrepreneurship is all about that, making sure that we are all working together in order to help our dream customers. Is your offer irresistible? Is the thing that you're promising them in exchange of the thing that you want them to do? Click, registration to a webinar, exchange for a free thing, a freebie. Is that offer that you're offering them irresistible? Because if it's not, guys, I'm sorry to break it to you, that we're not going to make an exchange, because for them, the exchange is not good enough. If your offer is not irresistible, if they do not feel stupid because they don't buy it, your offer isn't good enough. So that's the 3-step checklist that you gotta follow always. First step, do you have the attention? Second step, does the story that you're telling them is helping them to go to the next step? And third step, is your offer irresistible? That was the 3 step-by-step checklist. And guys, by the way, if you want to have that checklist for yourself, check out this link, gabrieljulié.com/action plan. I'm putting with you a detailed version of that checklist so you can check it out and actually use it for your business and your ads, and you're going to be able to have it all the time to fix your ads, your funnels, whatever it is that you're doing with your marketing plan. Check out this link, gabrieljulié.com/action plan. It's totally free.